Welcome back, guys. So another thing we can do with Gemini is to categorize our data and clean them up as well. So let's say we want to categorize data, we could just easily come to Gemini right here, and we could take out everything we've done. So I'll clear history right now. So I'm going to clear the history, and right now we can categorize the data. So let's say I want to categorize each data based on suppliers and the number of stock. So let's have this prompt right now. Actually, you can even get insights on how to go about your prompt ideas from Gemini instead of trying to prompt all over from your head. So you could do that, but let's just continue with this. So let's try to categorize this data. Let's see what result it will give us. So it's trying to reference what to categorize. As you could see, now we have the data categorized. We have supplier, we have stock quantity. So you could see from Power Up Labs. So it's actually created as the highest stock quantity with 300 units, followed by, so we have all these right now. So you could have this as your data analysis. So this now we have it, of course we have it. So you have your Power Up Lab and all those things. So what I try to do is to insert them, but it's saying I'm offline currently. So let me just leave it right now. So that is how to categorize data, that is for sure. So you could categorize data that way. So let's continue right now. Let's continue what we're doing. So I have to refresh this because the internet is malfunctioning. So let's see what we have to do. So having this right now, you have your Power Up Lab and everything. You have it right here. So you're going to come back using Gemini to do more of things you want to do. So for instance, if I were to insert data of an inventory, maybe I have a previous inventory and I'm to insert the data of those inventory, you could use Gemini to do that as well. So that is how to categorize data and clean those data up as well. So if you want to clean all these up, you can actually clean them up with this Gemini as well. So that is how to go about this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.